I don't know. I have like a
Hey!
always been
Holy
sorry.
fuck, right off! Hey there, dog here, I'm back. This time I got a surprise. I added extra bowl. I got my little handy thing here. Now we're gonna count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, and way over here is number 6. Now we're on this little Christmas tree. And we're gonna hit these. This is gonna be a big one. Are you ready? Remember, Underdogs or Wacky Rob's best spot in town to get your stuff. You can build anything. And besides, I also added a couple more perks on my bomb. I've added this here perk here, water perk. I've added my skull. He cries when it gets too hot. You fill him up with ice and you'll cry. And then here we go. This time we use a barbecue lighter. Check it out. Okay, they're gone. Whoa, you gotta sit after that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned the next time I'll send out, it'll be 7 bowls. We'll count them together. Ciao for now, and keep her green.